Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. And as 24K, Anker wanted to send me these golden age of charging cables. They're USB-C charging cables to Lightning, and it comes with a lifetime warranty, and it's covered in amazing 24 karat gold. This product couldn't be any more on brand for me as 24K. Incredible, look at that. Just beautiful Lightning and USB-C. So this will fast charge my iOS devices. It says, "You're now a part of charging royalty." That's incredible. Thank you very much, Anker, for sending these over. Some quick details on the back of what these cables have to offer. They are certified to work with the iPhone, iPad, and iPod. So Anker is a company that's well known for its charging products, and we're very excited to give these a try. These are also braided cables. So inside of here, it's easily removable from the box. You can see that it's braided, and it also has that gold colored braid in the cable itself. These are made to protect for a lifetime with that lifetime warranty. And of course, you can't go wrong with the 24 karat gold plated end tips on this charging cable. Totally incredible and perfectly on brand for 24K. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.